welcome back. Gaurav Milamagat for watching. Thank you for watching. Not a lot gonna happen this episode. One of the things I want to do is, since this is episode 3, episode of Chi, I'm going to do something a little radical to start off the episode, and we're going to keep it. We are going to change the language to Irish Gaelic. It's in here somewhere. I know it is. There it is. Gaeilge. Air. We're not going to go back. So, also, that said, translations may not be accurate. And Danta, I believe, is okay. Or Danta's close. Great, yeah. So we're done. I believe that's return to game. We're going to have so much fun with that because I may have to switch that back sometimes. So, one of the things I'm doing here is I'm going to build the first shop on the server here. And I'll tell you what that is in a little bit as I build it. But I did look it up, and the plural for shop looks like it might be Siopaí. I have a little pocket dictionary, and an actual, like, honest-to-God book. Like, I didn't look it up online. I have a little book. Where is it? It's called Folklore Polka Pocket Dictionary. It's an Irish to English dictionary. And it's about a good inch and a half thick. And it's got plenty of words in there. Oops. And, it's kind of, it's pretty helpful for things like that. So I looked up Siopa and said M4 for masculine fourth declension or something, maybe, I don't know. But it didn't list the plural, so I had to go to the front of the book. And it looks like, matching it up to that M4 line, that it might be Siopaí. Now, I'm just guessing at that, so if somebody knows for sure, please correct me. And, you know, there may even be some, dialects where it's different, possibly, maybe. I don't know. There's a lot I don't know. Oh, cool. Alright, that worked out. I'm not gonna put a roof on this thing, I don't think. I will demonstrate why. Oh, I hope I have enough iron. Oh, man. I was at that iron farm forever. Something's wrong with it. I built it wrong. So we'll have to see. Cool, I think that worked, yeah. I'll have to see if I have enough. Oh, that's gonna be highly disappointing if I don't have enough. Because I also wanted to have some inventory. Not that anyone's gonna be starting on the server anytime soon, but, you know, hopefully I can get somebody I know personally to join before I open up to strangers. Actually, I want to do that side last so I can see the sunset. Not for any kind of... oh, let me watch the sunset. No, I'm using that to time the episodes. So at the moment, I'm keeping the episodes to 10 minutes. Just so that you don't get too tired, and I also, this way, you get to put a bunch of content out there, and oh, looks like I will have enough. Great, fantastic. I'm not gonna have enough to do the floor, though. I really probably should do the floor. Oh well. So yeah, I cleared out this space, and I want to make it the first shop, and the only reason why I'm picking to sell these particular items in this shop here, in this Siopa, is Siopaí, the shop here. I thought of a clever name, and you might have seen it over there on the right in the last episode. It's not going to be that one there that you see now. For now, we're just going to have one chest in there, I think. And, Minecraft pro tip. You can never have enough crafting tables. You really can't. Not that I'm a pro at Minecraft again, but, when I first started out playing, it seemed like I'd always go running off to find a crafting table somewhere, and it was just such a waste of time. Such a waste of time. Like I'm wasting time right now. But yeah, so I mean, like, if you can, if you know you're gonna be in certain areas a lot, I think it helps to have one just kind of everywhere, you know. So that's why I put one here. There's one in my house, in my talk, and we got a long way to go before the sun sets. So, oops. Anyway, as you can tell, I just put a minecart in here, which is, what's the name of that? Cart? Minog. Minog? Minog? Yeah. This is going to be a minecart store. And I'm calling it Cart Galore. Cart Galore. If you're not laughing, you're probably not laughing. Cart Galore in Irish means okay. So the store's name is actually okay, but when you read it as Cart Galore, it makes it sound like I've got a lot of carts. Now it looks like it's actually that actual word for cart looks like it might be carrot. Carrot. One of the things I find that's pretty hard about Gaelic is the spelling. And oh, did I do that right? I switched them. So one of the cheated things I do perfect. One of the cheaty things I do when I see a word I don't know and I want to pronounce, it's pretty close. And there's not a good example there, but when I find is I kind of just drop it, and it doesn't work all the time, but I find it works most of the time, is I drop the first vowel. So if I see two vowels next to each other, I drop the first one. Unless there's a fada, which is the little line over that letter. That means there's really more emphasis on that one, so I'll pronounce that one some more. So I would imagine this is Kurt. So C-I-R-T, Kurt. Monig. So I'm pronouncing the A and then the I, Monig. Please correct me if I'm wrong on that. So yeah, anyway, that's our first Siopa. Cart galore. Again, I'm a terrible builder, so it doesn't actually look like a minecart. Yeah. That's what it looks like, but you can kind of get the idea. So, anyway, the sun is setting again. So, I guess we're going to call this an episode. I don't know what we're going to do for episode 4, but I'll have to think of something. Ihewa. And quickly running. I don't want monsters to spawn, so I'm just going to go to sleep in the bed in my lava. Ihewa. Oh, the sun hasn't set yet. Ni féidir leat culla ach san ihe. You cannot sleep in a bed when it's not night. Ach san ihe. Ni féidir leat. So actually, that's pretty accurate, isn't it? All right. Ihewa.